Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Okay, now wait right here.
Right here.
Go. Colin. Here she comes. Colin. Come on. Go get Mama. Go tell her. Take it to her. Go get her. Go tell her happy birthday, Mama. What do you say? Say happy. What do you say, Colin? No. What are you supposed to? Colin,
I'm gonna open it.
well, what are you supposed to say?
Just smile.
No, Colin.
Smile.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Look at Mama.
Colin.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Oh, thank you, Buggy.
You're welcome.
Did you wrap this?
Here, open it.
Open it? Okay.
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 Oh, eat.
You want this?
Wow.
Wow. You want this?
Yay.
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 Oh my goodness, it's my birthday?
Oh, happy birthday.
Okay.
Wow. Cool.
Oh, it is cool.
Look, I'll see here.
Oh boy, you want to help me?
Have you him?
Mama, can you turn just a little? I can't see you and Colin.
Keep
All I'm
going.
getting is the
Which
back.
way do you want me to go?
Either way, all I'm getting is the back of Colin's
There
head.
we go. Okay, you help me. You open. You're the opener.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Ooh, how about this? How about a big one?
Where's that gonna be? Oh. Ooh. Wow. But we got
Oh boy. What's in here?
Let's see here.
What is that? You want that paper? Look at Daddy. What's in here?
Oh.
Oh.
Where's Ralph and his daddy?
Let's see. What did Daddy buy Mama?
Colin bought it. It's all of his piggy bank money.
Where's Ralph and his daddy?
Oh my God. Wow.
Say happy birthday, Mama, Colin.
Oh my
Colin.
goodness.
Colin, say happy birthday to Mama.
He found the bananas I bought
Oh,
at
there
the
you
store.
go.